Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Today I get to share how I scored all of these items completely free and made almost $10 buying it all. And of course, I will tell you exactly how I did that step by step in the video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. I want to jump straight into the deals, and I don't even know where I want to start except for this bad boy right here. This was a huge moneymaker. So thanks to Shop with Sarah. She's the one that I heard about this deal from first. Her Back to the Roots potting mix at her store was like $6 and something. My store was a little bit more expensive. Well, a lot more expensive. My store had this same bag, and clearly you can see this is like the enormous bag of potting mix at $11.48. Now, there were two different rebates that I had for this product. One was $10 back on Ibotta. The other was $10 back on Fetch Rewards. Now that made my final cost completely free and an $8.52 moneymaker, and this is definitely something we will use. Now, check your Fetch Rewards app first. Make sure you have that offer because they can vary by user as with any app. But when I submitted my receipt to Fetch, it did not catch it right away. I had to correct the receipt, and then I scanned the barcode, and then within maybe 10 minutes, the $10 had been credited to my account. So fabulous deal on this. If you're brand new to Fetch, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $2 when you scan that first receipt. Let's talk about some Ibotta offers. Okay, so I did this deal last week, and a couple people said they could not find this product. Make sure when you are looking for these Always Discreets, you're looking for one, the pads, the liners don't count for the Ibotta offer, and the moderate, because like the light version doesn't count for the Ibotta offer either. But these, if your store carries them, are $5.27. Grab two of them. There is a $5 coupon from the March Procter & Gamble insert. You will get $5 back on Ibotta for purchasing this, but because I had purchased it last week, I believe, and submitted my receipt to Brand Club, I started getting surveys for the Always Discreet products. So I had done a survey that gave me an additional $2 back when I purchased this item, making both of these completely free and $1.46 moneymaker. Now, if you happen to be brand new to Ibotta, great time to join. Use my referral code. Of course, it's free to join, but you'll get $10 when you scan your first receipt from using my referral code. Check clearance. Of course, at the end of all of my videos, I show you pictures of items that I saw on clearance. My store still has a ton of like holiday, Christmas PJs. So check that section because I found these super soft PJ pants that I honestly can never see myself wearing because of the pattern on it. But they're so crazy soft, like I want to wear them anyway. They were $1. $1. So if you want to score some cheap pajama pants or you like to donate to shelters in your area, $1 is an amazing price for such soft, snuggly PJ pants. Did I just get fuzz all over me? Okay. Another Ibotta offer. This is actually an offer on multiple apps. So L'Oreal Men hair color. First of all, had no idea where to find this. It was not with the hair color. It was with like the shaving stuff for men. I guess the men's section is like this tiny little section, and then women have like full aisles worth of stuff. So this was by the razors. These are $9.98 each. Crazy, but I bought two of them and I did pay that at the register, which was a little hard, but I did. And then I submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app. I got $6 back for purchasing two of them on the coupons.com app. I then submitted to Ibotta, and Ibotta gave me back $5 for each of them, so $10. But then I got a bonus on Ibotta for buying two, which that bonus should still be there for you as well. I got $2 back for purchasing two of them. I also submitted to Shopkick, and the Shopkick app gave me $2.90 back, making both of these free and a 96-cent moneymaker. Now, if I did not have a YouTube channel where I showed people the best deals going on, I probably would not have done this deal because it's not a product that we'll use. It's something that we'll have to donate or find someone who might use. I don't know. If you're watching my video and you live near me and you want that product, it's yours. Just send me an email. Another Shopkick offer, and I mentioned this one before. This is just a complete freebie. Find these little packs of Dove baby wipes. They are $1.56. Shopkick currently has an offer for like wipes and sanitizers, that type of thing. 500 kicks back, plus some kicks for scanning the product. So I got $2.08 back on Shopkick, making it completely free and a 52-cent moneymaker. Again, I will use this in like a baby gift for someone, or a donation item. If you're not using Shopkick already, you can grab it using my referral code to score yourself an extra $5 when you scan that first receipt. And there is another great offer on Shopkick for these Degree deodorants. Now, these deodorants are regular priced at $3.18. Now, Shopkick is giving back $3.32 on each of them. So make sure that offer is still there when you go to the store. But I was able to score each of these completely free and a 14-cent moneymaker. And Shopkick has been on the ball lately. They have been processing receipts super fast. Like, I submitted my receipt normally when I get to my car after I've shopped. Within like 5 minutes, I think that receipt had processed. And the offer reset. So I could go back in or go back to the store later in the week and do the offer again. And I love it when that happens. Okay, was that it for the non-food stuff? I think so. Okay, let's talk about food, and this is where I'm going to start to talk with you more about Brand Club. I know I've talked about it quite a bit, but it's because I love it, and I am getting so much money back for buying items that I would be buying anyway, and I love that. There's nothing better than that. If you are brand new to Brand Club, I'm going to drop my referral link down below, because if you use that, you're going to get an additional $10 when you sign up with Brand Club and verify your email. Okay, let's talk about the offers. The ramen I keep buying because they keep giving me surveys. 28 cents. I had done a Brand Club survey for $1.50, which stays as locked rewards until I go buy the product. So I bought this at 28 cents. I got $1.50 back from Brand Club, making it completely free, and a $1.22 moneymaker. Now, quick answer to the question I know so many of you have. Once I check out, I pay however I want to pay. I go into my Walmart app. I click on my account. I click on my purchase history. I then scan my receipt into my purchase history. Takes like 3 seconds. Then I sync to Brand Club. Okay, for some reason, Brand Club keeps saying no rewards found, but it is finding them and it is giving me money. The way you can verify that it's giving you the money is just go into your account on Brand Club and look at the activity. Very easily, you can see that it is crediting you for the items that you purchased, even though it said no rewards found. Don't know why it's doing that. Clearly, it's some kind of glitch. But it is giving me money back, or I wouldn't be buying the products and telling you about it. The reason I do all of this is to show you what works and how it works so you can do it for you and your family as well. Okay, Del Monte. So this one I've bought a few times. Love this product. Love the stewed tomatoes. It's only 88 cents. I had done a Brand Club survey for $2.25 back. So I got this item for free, and I made $1.37 purchasing it. I did the same thing with the Crystal Light. The Crystal Light was $2.68. I had done a Brand Club survey for $2.25, making it that 43 cents for this pack of Crystal Light. The Knorr pasta sides, these are $1.26. I got $2 back on Brand Club, so that made it completely free and a 74-cent moneymaker. Now, kind of a fun, different one this week. If you saw on my YouTube community tab, I had posted a link. Eggo was giving out free boxes of waffles. So they sent you like code to your email, and when you go to check out, you click pay, and then you scan this barcode, and it takes the full cost of this item off. So I posted about that on Instagram, I posted about it on Facebook, I posted about it on my community tab in YouTube, but I grabbed these Eggo Waffles, $2.68. When I scanned that barcode at the register, it took the $2.68 off, making it completely free. But I had done a brand club survey for $2. And so when I scanned my receipt into the Walmart app and synced to brand club, I got an additional $2 back, making these free and a $2 moneymaker. So when I was at this store, I knew we needed both milk and bread. So I was looking for what the best deal would be and what I could show you all as well. The Silk almond milk, so this is priced at $2.78. I had done a brand club survey for $1.75 because this is a product that I had purchased in the past, so that survey was there for me. So there were no other rebates on this product, making my milk cost just $1.03. Now, there were some Silk rebates on Ibotta. I think it was like an oat milk and an oat creamer. Now, I could have gotten a better deal had my store had that item because I could have submitted to Ibotta. I think there's actually a coupons.com offer for one of the Silk creamers or Silk oat milks, and then I would have gotten the brand club as well. So that probably would have been completely free and a moneymaker, but my store didn't carry those, and this was the product that I wanted, and it was worth $1, so that's what I paid. Lastly, I got the Nature's Own bread. So this bread is priced at $3.18. Is that how much bread normally is? I don't remember ever paying $3.18 for a loaf of bread, but it's $3.18. Now I bought that one because there's an Ibotta rebate for 35 cents, but there was a bonus, like a breakfast bonus or something. Does that even make sense for bread? And I had already done the other two offers in that bonus. So when I bought that, I got the 35 cents plus another 50 cents, dropping my total down to $2.33. My hope was that was gonna like unlock a brand club survey for me. It has not yet, but fingers crossed that that might happen. I honestly don't know what all brands are a part of their program. I just know they have a lot of brands in their program. Now, if you have not checked out my CVS video for this week, do that because I am currently hosting a $50 gift card giveaway. So I talk about the rules for that giveaway in my CVS video. I'll link it down for you below. My Ibotta bonus was like $1 for 8 offers this week. So I got $1 back because I hit that 8 offers at the end of this shopping trip. So like I said, my total cost for all of these items ended up being all free, and I made just short of $10 buying it all. So awesome deal. Stay tuned to the end of the video for some clearance pictures. If y'all have questions, don't hesitate to drop them down below. Thanks.